Could you imagine the shaggin' wagon with 800 horsepower? I mean, that thing would be an absolute powerhouse. All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really is greatly appreciated. Now, today, I want to take a look at the modern Magnum lineup. Now, I made a video a while back featuring a 2011 to 2014 Magnum that had a Charger SRT body kit on it, and it also featured a 2015 and up SRT body kit on it. Now, I know that these are Magnums with Charger body kits on it. It's not a full Charger conversion over to a Magnum, but it's still cool nonetheless to see a Magnum with a lot of these modern touches to them. Now, the channel that I want to give a shout out to is Real Transformation. He has quite a few of these Charger Magnum builds on his channel, and I'm going to put his link in the description if you want to go check out more information on any of the ones that I'm showing off. I'm going to show all the trim levels. So that is basically the trim level, 3 trims. You know, you had the RT, the SRT with the 392. And then you had yourself the Hellcat, the wide body. And I'll tell you, all 3 of them look dynamite on the Magnum. I think if the Magnum came back, it would be a welcome with, you know, open arms. A lot of people would really appreciate it. The problem is, how will it fit in the lineup with the Charger and the Challenger? I think that in order for them to successfully bring the Magnum back, they would have to take the Charger out, which is something that I personally do not want to see. I love the Charger. I think it's a great looking vehicle. Others, you know, in the comment section have said, you know, the Charger has been around for a while. It's time for a little bit of a mix-up. You know, I even get comments about the Challenger, you know, saying it's getting a little bit long in the tooth. You know, maybe bring something out that's a little bit different. But, you know, I love the combination of the Charger, the Challenger. And, you know, again, I know these are Magnums with Charger body kits on there, but if Dodge brought out the Magnum, I'm sure that ballpark, it would look very similar. The idea is to see the Magnum with those modern style and modern cues on there, so that you can kind of get a generalization as to what the modern Magnum would look like. And I think it looks great, especially with that wide body Hellcat. Oh man, that thing looks dynamite. Could you imagine the shaggin' wagon with 800 horsepower? I mean, that thing would be an absolute powerhouse.
Shaka on the beats. 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 Shaka on the beats.
So, you know, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm always interested to hear what you guys have to say. The channel is growing at a crazy pace, and it's really because of you guys. You guys continue, you know, crushing it in the comment section, sharing, liking, disliking, all that kind of stuff. It really does help the channel continue progressing. Each video that you watch is another, you know, view that helps the overall success of the channel. So really, guys, I'm definitely interested to hear what you have to say. I love these Magnums. I think they're absolutely great. Again, real transformation. It's going to be in the comments. I'm sorry, in the description below. Very cool channel. It has so many of these cool Magnum builds that I've just showed off in this video. So definitely go take a look. Yeah, some really cool stuff. All right, guys. I'll check you on the next upload.
Stock car, baby.